The AI Trading Connection Expert Advisor is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the Expert Advisor file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the Expert Advisor. From the Navigator section, we select the Expert Advisor file and run it by dragging the file onto the chart. We go to the Inputs tab where we can choose our desired AI assistant from between the two services, ChatGPT and Claude AI. In the second input, we need to enter the API key for the selected service here. To obtain the API key, you must have a user account within the desired service. Obtain the token and enter it here. In the third input field, if we have meticulously set our desired artificial intelligence assistant to ChatGPT, we can then precisely select the ChatGPT model from among the various models comprehensively listed here. Similarly, if we have carefully set the AI assistant to Claude AI and accurately entered its corresponding authentication token in this designated area, we can subsequently select the Claude AI model within the third input field, ensuring a seamless and efficient workflow for our specific needs and operational requirements. Just make sure to pay attention to this point. The models that have a date are fine-tuned, and the model structure is fixed as of that date with no updates made afterward. Before running the expert, go to the Tools tab and then to the Options section. Go to the Expert Advisors section and at the bottom, enable the Allow Web Requests option. Here you need to enter the two API URLs for the ChatGPT and Claude.ai websites. For ChatGPT, use api@openai.com and for Claude.ai, use api@anthropic.com. You can either enter these URLs here directly or copy them from the respective websites and paste them here. After that, click the Confirm button. After that, we run the Expert Advisor. I set the AI assistant to use the ChatGPT service. I enter the corresponding token here, set the ChatGPT model to 40 mini, and then click the Confirm button. By running the Expert Advisor on the chart, a panel will be displayed where we can enter our desired prompt in the top section and the AI's response will be shown to us in the bottom section. This Expert Advisor allows us to receive responses from the ChatGPT or Claude.ai service using the prompt entered in this section, enabling us to have AI within our platform. The text models provided by ChatGPT and Claude.ai allow us to enter prompts here based on the type of model, receive responses, and also the purpose of this Expert Advisor is to provide precise analysis of Forex and cryptocurrency market charts. This is achieved by identifying key price levels, interpreting economic news, and executing custom commands with the explanations displayed for us here. In this section, for example, I will enter a prompt. By simply clicking on the dedicated Send button, the command is immediately issued and the AI then prominently displays my comprehensive response here, and we can easily and conveniently delete any of the previously entered prompts here. We can receive different responses from the AI, or by clicking on the Clear Prompt option, remove the desired prompt from here. For example, if we want to enter a more precise prompt here, and from the moment I click the Send button here, explanations will be displayed for me here. Based on these explanations, we can conduct our own analyses, but you must definitely pay attention to the fact that the explanations and the prompt you enter here, the analysis is not done completely unless the prompt we enter here is highly specialized and precise. You can see the details here as well as the response that the AI has given us. But if we want to mention a general rule and the guidelines for writing prompts here, in order to get the best results from this expert, we should always include the data of the latest candles and the time frame in the prompt. We should state our request clearly. It should be concise and without unnecessary words, and if we want a specific analytical style, we must mention it here. This way, instead of giving us general explanations, the model will describe and suggest a suitable trading plan. But more precisely, we need to provide the model with complete information, not just our request. For example, this expert model does not have access to live data, so if we don't provide data, it will only show us a general analysis. We should always use candlestick data O, H, L, C, or open, high, low, and close in our prompts. Or at the very least, we should include the latest price and the time frame in our prompt. In the next point, I definitely have to mention that we should ask our prompt clearly and directly. Use clear and concise phrases. Instead of words or phrases like analyze, we should say exactly what we want. For example, ask it to tell us buy and sell signals, specify the take profit, determine the stop loss, or specify the entry point for us. The next point I can add is about timeframes, which we can always specify. Because the model works with text, we need to clearly write the time frame in our prompt, like 1 hour, 15 minutes, or daily. If we don't mention the time frame, the model will analyze based on assumptions and won't give us an accurate result here. The next point you must pay attention to is that our prompts should be concise so that the answers we get are also concise and not too general. Don't use vague or emotional words. For example, sentences where we say things like, give an excellent analysis, or give us a very precise prediction, cause the model to go into unnecessary explanations. It's better to just ask the AI for precise trading information. We can even mention our analysis style and request an analysis based on our specific approach, such as ICT, smart money, or price action, or based on the indicators we prefer. And the last point we need to pay attention to is that we must be aware of the limitations. This model cannot give us a 100% accurate prediction. This is just an auxiliary tool for generating ideas, or we can use this section to help with our decision making. But ultimately, the trading decisions are up to us. If we want to enter a more specialized prompt in this section, here, I have meticulously crafted and presented a common prompt which serves as a foundational example for various applications. This prompt is not merely a simple statement, but a carefully constructed query designed to elicit specific and relevant responses. It embodies a typical structure and phrasing that one might encounter in numerous scenarios, ranging from artificial intelligence interactions to data input forms. The process of writing such a prompt involves a deep understanding of the desired outcome, careful consideration of keywords, and precise articulation to avoid ambiguity. Furthermore, alongside this prompt, I have provided comprehensive and detailed explanations. These explanations are crucial for understanding the nuances and underlying principles of the prompt itself. They delve into the rationale behind each component of the prompt, clarifying its purpose and how it contributes to the overall objective. The explanations also offer insights into potential interpretations, common pitfalls, and best practices for utilizing the prompt effectively. This thorough approach ensures that users can not only understand the prompt but also apply it correctly and efficiently, maximizing its utility and achieving the intended results with clarity and precision. The symbol, time frame, price, and the request I have from the AI, and then I click on Generate. In this particular section, we are able to clearly see the comprehensive explanations that are directly related to the specific request we previously made, and by carefully scrolling down, we can thoroughly review the entire and complete text presented. Finally, we can also simply move the mouse cursor over the very top portion of the panel display. We can move the panel to our desired position, or by clicking on the top section, we can minimize the panel to its smallest size, and by clicking again, the panel will return to its default display. And finally, by clicking on the Close X button, we can close the panel and remove the Expert Advisor from the chart. Well friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this Expert Advisor. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.